Online research. Knowing how to conduct effective online research is crucial. Learning advanced search techniques and evaluating the credibility of online sources are essential skills. Harness the power of the web with effective online research. Unearth valuable insights and gain an edge in your field. Master advanced search techniques, the key to finding specific, high-quality content. Outsmart algorithms and optimize your search terms for targeted results. Discover the art of evaluating credibility. Learn to identify reliable sources and avoid misinformation. Your research is only as good as your sources. Enhance your understanding of online research. Make the internet work for you, not against you. Become an online research pro. Start your journey to smarter, more focused, and authoritative research today.